How to make payment in Worldpay account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make payment in Worldpay account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to worldpay.com. Once you're here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and tap on the login option. Here, you want to enter the entity ID or client ID. Then enter your username. After that, tap on the next option. Once that is done, you will have to enter the password and complete any of the verification methods. Once that is done, you will be successfully logged into your Worldpay account. Now, once you have been logged in, you want to find and click on the payments option. You can find this option in the main navigation menu. Now, choose the type of payment you want to make. You will find options such as credit card payments, bank transfers, or any other available methods. Fill in the required information such as amount to be paid, payment method, and any other necessary billing information. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Then you want to confirm the payment by clicking on the submit option. After the payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation message. You can also check your payment history in your account to ensure that the payment was processed successfully. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.